Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of India, where we'll uncover the hidden gems that often remain shrouded in mystery. While many travelers flock to iconic landmarks like the Taj Mahal or Jaipur's palaces, there's a treasure trove of lesser-known destinations waiting to be discovered. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beyond the bustling streets of Delhi or the serene backwaters of Kerala? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of India's most enchanting yet overlooked locations. From the mystical ruins of Hampi, where ancient temples whisper tales of a bygone era, to the serene landscapes of Spiti Valley, home to the unique Apatani tribe, each hidden gem has its own story to tell. What makes these places so special, and why do they remain off the beaten path? We'll also delve into the ethereal beauty of the living root bridges in Meghalaya, a marvel of nature and human ingenuity. Can you imagine walking across a bridge made entirely of living trees? And what about the hauntingly beautiful ghost town of Kuldhara, where legends of a vanished community linger in the air? As we explore these hidden wonders, we'll pose intriguing questions that spark your curiosity. What secrets do the ancient carvings of Khajuraho hold? Why do the locals of Spiti Valley consider their home a slice of paradise? Each location we visit will not only showcase breathtaking landscapes, but also invite you to ponder the rich tapestry of culture and history that defines India. So buckle up as we embark on this captivating adventure to unveil the hidden gems of India, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to uncover the mysteries? Let's dive in. India is a land of breathtaking diversity, and its natural landscapes are no exception. Among the hidden treasures that often escape the eyes of travelers are the stunning vistas of Spiti Valley and the extraordinary living root bridges of Meghalaya. Imagine standing in Spiti Valley, where the rugged mountains rise like ancient sentinels against a backdrop of azure skies. The stark beauty of this high-altitude desert, with its barren hills and vibrant monasteries, creates a surreal atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. As you traverse the winding roads, you'll encounter quaint villages nestled in the valleys where time seems to stand still, and the air is filled with the whispers of centuries-old traditions. Now let's journey to Meghalaya, where nature's artistry takes on a different form. Picture yourself walking across the living root bridges, a marvel of bioengineering crafted by the indigenous Khasi and Yaintia tribes. These bridges, made from the roots of rubber trees, intertwine and grow over time, creating a sturdy pathway that blends seamlessly with the lush green surroundings. As you cross these living structures, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the earth and the ingenuity of those who built them. The dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves adds a magical touch, making each step feel like a walk through a fairy tale. Both Spiti Valley and the living root bridges are not just stunning landscapes, they are steeped in history and culture. Spiti, once a vital trade route, is home to ancient monasteries that echo the teachings of Buddhism. Meanwhile, the living root bridges symbolize the harmonious relationship between the local communities and their environment. These landscapes invite you to explore their mysteries, offering a glimpse into a world where nature and culture intertwine in the most enchanting ways. Are you ready to uncover these hidden wonders? India is a land steeped in spirituality and history, and its ancient temples are the guardians of countless secrets and stories. Among the lesser-known yet profoundly captivating sites are the Khajuraho temples and the Sun Temple in Konark. These architectural marvels not only showcase the brilliance of ancient craftsmanship, but also invite us to delve into the myths and legends that surround them. The Khajuraho temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are renowned for their intricate sculptures and erotic carvings that adorn the walls. But beyond their artistic beauty lies a deeper narrative. Built between 950 and 1050 AD by the Chandela dynasty, these temples were dedicated to various deities, reflecting the diverse spiritual practices of the time. As you wander through the complex, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient rituals and the whispers of devotion that once filled the air. Each carving tells a story, inviting you to ponder the significance of love, life, and spirituality in a society that celebrated both the sacred and the sensual. Traveling to the eastern coast, we encounter the Sun Temple in Konark, an architectural wonder that resembles a colossal chariot drawn by 7 horses. Constructed in the 13th century, this temple is dedicated to Surya, the sun god, and is a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Indian architects. The temple's design is not just visually stunning, it is also imbued with astronomical significance, aligning perfectly with the sun's path. Legends tell of the temple's construction involving divine intervention, and its intricate carvings depict scenes of daily life, celestial beings, and the eternal dance of creation. Both the Khajuraho and Konark temples are more than mere structures. They are portals to a time when spirituality and artistry intertwined seamlessly. As we explore these ancient sites, we invite you to immerse yourself in the tales of devotion, mystery, and the rituals that have shaped India's rich cultural tapestry. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of these ancient temples? India is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, and while many travelers flock to its well-known cities, the true essence of its heritage often lies in the lesser explored corners of the country. One such treasure trove of cultural experiences can be found in the tribal villages of Odisha, where age-old traditions and festivals come alive in a spectacular display of color and spirit. Imagine visiting a tribal village during the vibrant festival of Nuakhai, a harvest celebration that brings the community together in joyous revelry. As the villagers prepare for the festivities, you'll witness the intricate rituals that honor the earth and express gratitude for the bountiful harvest. The air is filled with the sounds of traditional music, and the aroma of local delicacies wafts through the streets, inviting you to partake in the celebrations. Did you know that each tribe in Odisha has its own unique way of celebrating this festival, reflecting their distinct customs and beliefs? In addition to Nuakhai, the tribal communities of Odisha are known for their rich artistic traditions, including the mesmerizing dance forms of Sambalpuri and Gotipua. These performances are not just entertainment, they are a means of storytelling, preserving the history and mythology of the tribes. Engaging with local artisans, you'll discover the painstaking craftsmanship behind their vibrant textiles and intricate handicrafts, each piece telling a story of its own. As you immerse yourself in these cultural marvels, you'll find that the diversity of India's heritage is nothing short of awe-inspiring. From the rituals that connect the tribes to their ancestors to the festivals that celebrate the cycles of nature, every experience offers a glimpse into a world where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. Are you ready to explore the rich cultural tapestry of India and uncover the wonders that lie off the beaten path? India is a land rich in history, and its hidden gems are often cloaked in intriguing legends and folklore that add layers of mystery to their allure. One such captivating tale is that of Kuldhara, a deserted village near Jaisalmer which is steeped in stories of love, loss and the supernatural. Once a thriving community of Paliwal Brahmins, Kuldhara was abandoned overnight in the early 19th century, leaving behind crumbling ruins and an air of enigma. Legend has it that the village was deserted to escape the clutches of a ruthless tax collector who sought to marry the daughter of the village headman against her will. In a desperate bid to protect their honor, the villagers vanished, leaving behind a curse that no one would ever be able to settle in Kuldhara again. Today, visitors often report eerie sensations and unexplained occurrences, fueling the belief that the spirits of the villagers still linger, guarding their secrets. This haunting narrative is not just a ghost story. It reflects the cultural identity of the region, where honor and community ties were paramount. Another fascinating tale can be found in the lush landscapes of Meghalaya, where the living root bridges are said to be the result of a pact between the local tribes and the spirits of the forest. According to folklore, the tribespeople believed that nurturing the roots of the rubber trees would appease the forest spirits, allowing them to create bridges that would withstand the test of time. This connection to nature and spirituality is deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the region. As we delve into these mysterious legends and folklore, we invite you to ponder the stories that shape the identity of these hidden gems. What truths lie behind the tales of Kuldhara? How do these narratives connect the past with the present? Join us as we explore the enchanting mysteries that surround these remarkable locations, where every legend holds a piece of history waiting to be uncovered. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of India, we've uncovered a treasure trove of hidden gems that showcase the country's rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. From the breathtaking landscapes of Spiti Valley and the living root bridges of Meghalaya to the ancient temples of Khajuraho and the Sun Temple in Konark, each location offers a unique glimpse into the diverse heritage that defines India. We've also delved into the vibrant festivals of Odisha and the haunting legends of Kuldhara, revealing how these stories and traditions shape the identities of their respective regions. Discovering these lesser-known wonders is not just about exploring new places, it's about connecting with the heart and soul of India. Each hidden gem we explored holds secrets waiting to be uncovered, inviting you to experience the rich cultural narratives that often go unnoticed. By venturing off the beaten path, you not only enrich your travel experiences, but also support local communities and preserve their traditions. We hope this journey has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to seek out these extraordinary locations for yourself. If you enjoyed this exploration of India's hidden treasures, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures that take you beyond the ordinary. Like this video if you found it insightful, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the wonders that lie off the typical tourist trail. Your support helps us continue to bring you captivating stories and experiences from around the world. So let's keep the spirit of exploration alive together. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we can't wait to share more hidden gems with you in our next video. Until then, happy travels.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.